Welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to be learning 10 top skills that can make you rich in 2022. Alright, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my new video guys. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, 10 top skills that can make you rich. Alright, the first skill here is graphic design. All of us know this by now, that graphic design is the end thing. A lot of young persons are actually keen into graphic design and are cashing out daily. They are cashing out big time. All right, so graphic design simply means the use of text and images to effectively create an impact and convey a message to a specific audience. All right, and I've searched out a good website here where you can actually go learn graphic design course for free. So just hop onto allison.com and search for a graphic design course, and you will see this full course package where they will teach you all about graphic design, from the introduction to the history to the process, teach you so many techniques and give you so many drafts and processes, then graphic design elements too. So just go to allison.com and you pick up this free course and you're on your way to making money. All right, now quickly, the next course here is programming. All right, programming also is popular to some extent. A lot of persons have hopped onto it, onto programming, and are making cool cash from it. If you learn how to program, you can actually program mobile apps or websites or systems, softwares and what have you. Okay, it simply means to construct a program from a series of simple instruction. So if you want to learn programming, just hop onto edx.org, just hop onto this website over here. All right, and you see this free course is free. Here it is, free of charge. Okay, it's free of charge. You see this free course, programming for everybody, getting started with Python, and they'll teach you how to start programming. Okay, the course aims to teach everyone the basic of programming computers using Python. All right, this is a highly sought after skill, guys. Do not sleep on this one. All right, a lot of persons, a lot of firms, a lot of software companies are looking for good programmers. They could pay thousands and thousands of dollars to actually work for them. All right, so guys, hop on this. The next thing on our list is mobile development. Mobile development simply means building a cloud connected Android app, mobile and Android development. Okay, it just simply means building an app. Okay, building an app. The Play Store we use to download, the Play Store is where you see a lot of apps. Yeah, those apps are developed by people like you and I, and they learned those things. So a lot of persons are wanting to create apps, and they are looking out for people who can help them create their app, help them bring their idea into an app format. So if you have the skill, they will look for you, they will find you, and they will pay you for it. All right, so but if you don't know where to start from, you can start from Audacity. All right, just hop onto audacity.com/courses/new Android fundamentals, and you will see this course right there for free. It says start free course here. It's a free course on developing Android apps, guys. So it's free, totally free of charge. So hop onto audacity.com and you get this course for free. All right, the next thing is SEO marketing. Yeah, search engine optimization for businesses. A lot of businesses want to promote their businesses, take their business pages to a larger audience, to get better engagement. They want to bring their businesses in front of people who will actually buy. And the first way to do that is to get it to a larger and more and larger audience, a more large audience. All right, so that people can actually see them, notice them, and engage with their content and all that. Now, if you don't know where to start, HubSpot.com is there for you. It's there to teach you for free, totally free, guys, what SEO marketing is all about. Here it says SEO training course, building sustainable traffic for business growth. Okay, So this introduction training will teach you how to build a search engine optimization strategy for your business. All right, if you can learn how to do SEO, a lot of companies will call you, because people are actually looking for people who are skillful in that area, that can take their business to the next level by bringing it in front of a larger audience, and they will pay you thousands and thousands and thousands of naira for these guys. Okay, now the next skill I want you to consider is the AI. This is big time, guys. This is big time. AI is the next level. Artificial intelligence is the stimulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and copy their actions. Now, you've seen machines and robots imitate human actions and all that. You've seen robots talk, you've seen them move, you've seen them carry loads, lift things up, run errands and all that. So AI is just developed to copy the human intelligence into robots, into machines, just to mimic humans. Okay, so if you have the skill of designing AI, oh my god, you are in money. If you have that skill of designing AI, you are big time rich, guys. You are big time rich. So please, I want you to jump on this. Do not relent, do not sleep on this. So if you want to start your journey on AI, I want you to hop onto mygreatlearning.com. mygreatlearning.com will teach you for free, guys, for free artificial intelligence courses. Free artificial intelligence courses. Here you have introduction, you have introduction to AI, 8 ways to kickstart your okay, just that. Okay, yeah, introduction to AI. It will teach you AI basically. It will teach you AI basically. Okay, so guys, hop on to mygreatlearning.com and take this free introduction to artificial intelligence and start learning, guys. Okay, so the next one on my list is content marketing. Now, this is a similitude of this other one, SEO marketing. Okay, but it's still different. Content marketing is on a different light, kind of. It involves content promotion and optimization still. So it still involves optimization though, but it is more directly on promotion, in the sense that content marketing, people that want to market their content are looking out for people who can run ads, people who are influencers. You know, if you have an SMMA, a social media marketing agency, if you have that, you can market people's content on your platforms as an agency. I've made a video on SMMA, how to start an SMMA business and how to cash out from an SMMA business. Okay, so go look up that video and learn how to set up your own social media marketing agency, so that you can start marketing content for people, and people will pay you for that. People will pay you for that, guys. I don't want to start calling figures, but people make money from these things. People make money from these things. All right. And if you want to start up a content marketing business, there's a place to go to. Still on My Great Learning, you can still go to mygreatlearning.com/academy/learn for free/courses. Just click on My Great Learning and search for content marketing course. They have a lot of courses here: data visualization, Java programming, Excel, and the rest. So this is a content marketing basic. You can start with that. Enroll for free. It's a 1.5 hours video content, and they will teach you basically what content marketing is all about. Okay, they'll teach you basically what content marketing is all about. So you will learn content marketing strategy, tools for content marketing, branding concept via content marketing, user behavior, content marketing strategy, and content editing. You also learn what is content marketing, why content marketing, advertising, and what have you. Okay, and here you'll be given your certificate on that for free, guys, for free. All right, so the next thing I want you to jump on is the UIUX design. A lot of persons are also keen into the UIUX design, and it simply means user experience and user interface design. It involves providing a visually appealing, smooth, and functional experience. It's more or less related to the programming, but it's more specific. Okay, it's the design that provides the interface that people actually use to interact with a particular software or an app or whatever. Okay, that thing that gives the user an experience, or that helps the user navigate through the platforms, okay, is the UI UX design. And guys, if you have the skill, you are in money. People will pay you to come help them design things, design their website, design the apps, design the softwares, providing a good user interface for their audience. Okay, so if you want to learn a UI UX design, you should go to Migrate Learning. Still, Migrate Learning has a lot of free courses. Migrate Learning will teach you how to do UI UX, okay, and it's totally free, and it's a 1 hour video content. They said enroll for free. Over 27,000 people have registered and have taken this course. Okay, basically you will learn UI UX tools, UI tools, wireframing, prototyping. Okay, you also learn introduction to UI UX. Okay, you also learn difference between UI and UX. You also learn the UX process and what have you, and your certificate is waiting for you guys. All right, so jump on this, guys. Do not sleep on this. The next thing I want you to learn is cyber security. Big time cyber security. A lot of a lot of crimes and hacking is going on around the world, and people are looking forward to protect their information, their online information, better by employing cyber security experts that can actually assess and manage security protocols in information processing systems. Okay, so if you are good in managing and assessing security protocols in the information system as a cyber security expert, companies will pay you. If you are good at it, they will pay you big money to help them secure their information online. All right, to help prevent hackers from hacking into their softwares, into their systems, or into their information processing systems. All right, so if you want to start on this, if you want to learn cyber security, I want you to hurry now and go to simplylean.com. okay, simplylean.com. Go to simplylean.com and you will see this course on introduction to cyber security, and you will take it and start learning for free. It is totally free, guys. It is totally free. Start learning free here, free. Okay, they will teach you the fundamentals of cyber security, mitigation, secure architecture, wireless network, threat actors, attack, security policies, MP procedures. You will learn all that. Okay, it's a 3 hours course, and you can complete and get your certificate. Okay, so I also have 90 days access to the course. All right, anytime you want to come back to it, you can come back to it and learn. Okay, so this is security consultant. They earn up to $53,000 to $113,000 per annum. Okay, if you are good at this, that is your proposed annual salary as a cyber security expert. Okay, all right, so the next thing is blockchain. Yes, blockchain is here to stay. A lot of persons have jumped on it, a lot of persons are still jumping in. Okay, so blockchain is just a digital ledger of transaction distributed across a network of computer system. So it just involves it. Basically, blockchain is a wide ideology, but then basically it is narrowed down into transaction, into as it says here, a digital ledger of transaction distributed across a network of computer systems. So it's all about digital money, cryptocurrencies, and all that. All right, so if you want to start off learning what blockchain is all about entirely, I want you to hop on Migrate Learning. Still, go to migrate-learning.com. Okay, you will see this blockchain basics. This blockchain basics will be available to you there, and you can take it for free. It's a 2.5 hour video content. Okay, about 29,000 persons have taken this course already. So they will teach you blockchain fundamentals, the consensus mechanisms, architecture of the blockchain industry needs, transaction mechanism, building blockchain database, a lot of things, and cryptography, a lot of things, guys, for free. A lot of things for free here. You will be grounded on what blockchain is, and you can start teaching others and start developing your own blockchain stuffs. Okay, so That is it, guys. And the last but not least is copywriting, one of my favorite. Honestly, copywriting is like the easiest for me. Currently I make $100 every month from copywriting, and each day it takes me roughly 2 hours to be done with my day job on this. I would make a video later on how I make $100 every month legitly from this business, doing absolutely nothing, just working for just 2 hours a day, and that is it, and you get paid $100 at the end of the month, and you are good to go. So copywriting simply means putting your thoughts into writing in a creative way. Now, the idea of copywriting, everybody can write ideally on an average, but the thing that distinguishes you as a copywriter is the creativity you put into your writing. That is what brings in the money. That is where the brain work is. That is where the stress is. Okay, so copywriting simply means putting your thoughts into writing in a creative way. And if you can write well, companies can pay you to come write for them. Media houses can pay you to write stories for them, to write news articles for them, to write profile for them. I currently profile for a company currently. Okay, so I currently do profiling for them. Okay, so if you are good in copywriting skills, you can be recruited into companies or new firms that want people to profile celebrities or profile politicians or profile big people and all that. So if you want to start making money from copywriting, this is where you should start off, guys. Go to copywritingcourses.com. When you go to copywritingcourses.com, you will see this free course here. This is a free copywriting course. Learn copywriting basics in few minutes. Okay, they'll teach you what copywriting is, different between selling and educating, the AIDA formula, blah blah blah, write like you talk, a lot of things. They'll teach you the basic, a lot of things about what copywriting is, and you'll be grounded. Okay, this is a free course. These are the video courses and all that. So guys, pick one of these. Do not just watch these videos and not take action, guys. I want you to come back on the comment section and testify that I started this business because of you, or I started this business because of a video I watched on your channel and I'm making money right now. That will give me a great joy. That will give me fulfillment and make me happy, guys. I want you to start making money also. So pick any of these. As a student, as a stay-at-home mom or whatever, you can pick any of this course, any of the skill, and it can be a side hustle. You can do it at your spare time. You can do graphic design as a freelancer. You can program whenever you want. You can mobile develop apps. You can do SEO marketing. These things are not time consuming. They will not consume your time. I'm like that. Okay, some of them are not time consuming. Copywriting is not time consuming. Content marketing is not time consuming. SEO marketing is not. Okay, graphic design is not. All right, depending on how good you are. Okay, so please, guys, pick one of these courses and start making money. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, smash that like button, and drop a comment in the comment section and tell me how you feel about this video. Also, drop comments on other skills you think are important, or other skills you are making money from currently, so that people can actually learn from, copy from, and learn from. All right, so thank you, guys. See you next time.